Hey, Bam.
Hey guys, so today I'm here with obviously Morgan. You guys know Morgan and Jesse. Jesse's already been featured on our channel.
Yeah.
So today we have a snow day. It's a Thursday, so I'm super happy. It's right before Christmas break, so we have an extra day off. We are going to probably make some forts outside, have a snowball fight, eat food. Yeah. Right now we're eating or drinking milk. Morgan's Oreo is floating in her milk.
So I put my Oreo in. I take it out with a spoon. So you just gotta wait for it to get a little soggy.
Yeah. As you can see, I'm repping Under Armour today.
I'm repping up north where the other vlogs were.
I'm repping my reindeer, guys.
And
Sophia is coming probably soon. You guys probably should know Sophia. She's okay. Why did she? Yeah, she was in our last vlog. Yeah, she was in our last vlog. Click the, or wherever right here, link in bio, something like that, to see that video.
It's 2:04.
That's not important. Nobody cares about the time. Cut it out, Armin. Cut it out.
I'm gonna cut it out.
It's 2:04 on a snowy Thursday afternoon.
So we're starting the vlog a little late.
Yeah, but
It's all good.
I don't know. That's all we're gonna do today.
Oh, and we're at my house.
Yeah.
We'll keep you guys updated.
In the Christmassy mood, so like we've been listening to some Christmas music.
The family is growing.
What do you guys call them? Jake Paul fam?
We should call them bears.
Family. No, family's a thing. That's a thing.
Hamsters. Good morning, hamsters.
It's family. It's a family. Are you kidding?
Good morning, hamsters.
We're the Bamsters. If any of you guys have ideas for like new channel names, we're thinking of like switching our name because it's kind of weird and we don't just do
Comment
vlogs.
down below.
Today is not Sunday.
It definitely is not Sunday.
But there
We
might be
uploaded last Sunday, so we're doing probably every Sunday we're gonna post videos.
We're gonna
so
try.
we have a video. Yeah. So like this video is gonna be uploaded like a couple days before Christmas.
No, maybe
Because we've been on my arms challenge.
no, the lighting was so bad.
We're doing it.
See,
Anyway, so it's
the lick my arm challenge. Is that what you just said?
It's not my arms challenge.
I win.
We'll keep you guys updated.
Probably.
Probably.
So-
We're just gonna keep eating Oreos.
Yeah, and we also have some Pringles.
We got my snow day meme. Then we got my A-push meme. Then we got my Bob meme. We got a lot of memes, you guys. Then we got this one meme. Okay. And then we got this one funny meme that I like. So go away. Go away. Then we got this SpongeBob meme. Thus. I love Christmas in the sand. Pretty good. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, man.
So I'm currently eating my Pringles.
Stop it, I'm trying to vlog.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to be one of you. Okay, ready? Wait. There we go.
Yeah. So, we're just chilling right now. Right, guys? Jesse's playing some Mario Bros.
Yes, I am.
And Anna's running, trying to save herself.
Yeah. No, this isn't. Oh, somebody's gonna get murdered.
So guys, look at our Santa toilet. Yep, Mom just came in clutch with some Reese's Christmas trees.
Jaden.
Target.
No! She almost snagged it. Yep, Kirkland.
That seems very uncomfortable. I don't know how dogs do
It's so comfortable. It's also for humans. Really, I lay on it. It's so comfortable. So guys, Soph's here. We're outside. You already know. Here we go. Do what you want.
No balls. Anna. And now she sent something. Oh no.
When you try and be cute.
Ready, Jess? Ready?
Jess, a balloon!
Jesse, the balloon! Jesse, showed up 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh no!
Yeah.
Listen,
Hold up, guys.
listen to this.
We're gonna go by. I'm coming. Where? Guys, I'm definitely getting all snow in my shoes. Oh no, where? I'm working on it.
Sophia, you're it. You're the clown. You want the balloon?
Oh, thank you.
You want the balloon? Wait, I want to. Can I try to go catch the duck?
Yeah, catch the duck.
Wait, I don't have good
No. Jesse.
Quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Hi, something just for grab that.
Okay, so Jesse's leaving.
What
Have your voice.
I don't know. It just kind of like died.
So we went out and all of our phones died. So we didn't exactly, and it was like really funny. Like we found this zip line, and Morgan went on the zip line, and then we left her there, and we just walked away.
Yeah, I was like stuck in the middle.
She was right in the middle over a river. Oh, looks like I gotta get ready for volleyball. Okay.
Yeah, so
So-
I was stuck in the middle.
We just had an apple.
Do you guys like our lighting? It's a flashlight.
No, it's like such bad lighting.
No, it's actually really good.
No, I look pale. Oh, that's pretty much what we did today. And tomorrow we have school again. It's Friday. So I have huge tests and I have so much homework. But it's fine.
I have tests
I'm kidding.
Monday and Tuesday, and it's gonna be horrible.
I have 3
Bio
tests
and
on
math.
Monday. I have 1 tomorrow and it's so hard. But it's fine. So yeah, looks like I'm gonna go change now.
Oh, this is bright in my eyes. So guys, Soph's here. Jesse and Anna left. Losers. And we're watching season 3 of Fuller House. So comment down below if you watch it. This guys. I won't spoil it all, but go watch. So guys, thank you for watching the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm just gonna eat and then do my homework for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Then we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we're on winter break, so some good vlogs will be coming to you guys, or videos or whatever. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bam out.